It's getting worse.
We need more wood for the fire. We must secure the entrance now.
The elders say this storm will pass, but we must be ready.
Almost there. Push!
The storm is strong, but we are stronger. Tor, Bren, the hunt tomorrow must succeed. Nira, keep Cora and the children calm.
This one needs a stronger stitch here.
I see. The cold will find any weakness.
We made it!
The ancestors guided us.
We must secure the entrance.
Tor, Bren, that large boulder. Jorn, reinforce the side.
We will protect our child, no matter the cost.
The tribe stands with you. This is all we have left.
It's with you and beyond you. Where's me?
Only enough for 2 days.
The last harvest was poor. We face a serious food shortage, and difficult decisions must be made if we are to survive the coming winter.
We must share what little we have, equally among us all.
Make sure it's tight, Lena. We need this to last.
The spirits of the hunt will bless our efforts if we are thorough.
We need to conserve. The snow is melting slowly.
I remember winters when even this much water was a blessing.
Tor, make sure your spear is ready.
And so, the spirits of the forest guided our ancestors through the long winter, their wisdom echoing in the whispering winds.
This will help it heal quickly.
Thank you, Nira. It already feels better. He always said our love was like this fire, warm and constant, even in the darkest night. It's happening! Stay calm, everyone. You are strong. You can do this.
Just breathe, daughter. Breathe with the pain.
I am here, my love.
The storm. It's past.
We should check outside.
The storm is past.
We are safe.
A new light for our people. May this child walk a path of strength and wisdom. May this child walk a path of wisdom and strength.
Let's make this space ready for the day. Finn, the firewood. Nira, the healing herbs need order.
Preparation prevents problems. Preparation prevents problems.
Oh, look how they play!
It warms the heart, doesn't it?
Iced. And in those days, the winter winds whispered secrets only the oldest trees remembered.
Leadership means protecting family through any storm.